Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from your device to an SD card or vice versa. And to get started, let's open up our Files app, which I need to first find. And there we go, File Manager. From here, tap on Allow, and once it's open, go to the category where you have folder, and this will show up basically the entire internal storage, as you can see right over here. So if all your data is on the SD card, you will have to tap on the drop down and go to the SD card, but for me it's here, so that's where I'm gonna stay. Now both of the locations have basically the same folders, and if you're looking for things like photos and videos that I have captured with the device, they can all be found in the DCIM folder, as you can see right here. Then there's also a screenshot folder, so if you capture screenshots here, they will be also saved in the DCIM. Besides that, you have also the download folder, which will contain, well, anything that you have downloaded either through a web browser or email. Whatever you have downloaded, it gets saved here. And apart from that, things like ringtones, podcasts, pictures, notifications, music, movies, and all those folders are primarily empty, assuming there is no dedicated app that saves into those folders. But majority of the apps create their own folders if they need to save something. So once you find your files, let me open mine. Once you find them, as you can see, there are those circles, so you want to tap on them, and this will select a file. So you can select multiple, tap right here to select all if you want to, or you can also select it through here, but if you're trying to select the entire folder along with all of its content, you will need to hold it. Let me do it again. There you go. So when you hold it, it gets selected. Now whichever way you do it, it's completely up to you, whatever your preference is. But once you have selected files, folders, whatever it is, you will have the two options. You have the move option, and under more you have the copy option. Now if you choose to move, the files will be completely removed from where they are right now and move to the new location of your choice, while copy will just create additional set of the same files and move the new set to, well, to your desired location. I'm gonna go with move for this purpose. And once you choose one of the options, it will bring up the select folder, which gives you the option to move it to internal storage or SD card. Now for me, the files are already on the internal storage, so I could change where they are located in there, or I can just completely move it to a whole new different storage. So that's what I'm gonna do here. And as you can see on this storage, I only have the Android DCIM folder, and I can move it to either one of those folders by just clicking on it or dropping it right over here, which that's what I'm gonna do. So let's tap on paste, and there we go. As you can see, there is the camera folder along with all of the photos that were inside. And because I moved it, if I go back to the internal storage, which I am at right now actually, just so you can see, there we go, there is only screenshots folder left. So this process basically works the same way no matter what the type of file you want to move. You basically either hold it to select it or tap on the circle to select it, and you choose move or copy. And that's basically the whole process. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.